This next section is going to be talking about importing media that you can use in your video. So say for example I have a picture on my phone that I would like to use for my video. I can do a couple things. I can download it from my email if I send it to my email, or I can send it to my Google Drive. So from your phone you can go to your Google Drive, make sure you've signed into your Dempsey account, and you can upload it into your Google Drive. Once you've done that, you can go back into WeVideo and you can click on import. And if you've downloaded it to your Chromebook, you can click browse to select and you will go and search for it in your files, or you can choose from the import section down here under Google Drive. And you'll notice that when it loads up, it'll have a whole bunch of different things that you can take a look at. And so I'm going to go and I'm just going to import this picture here. And I can click on it, click select, and then you'll see that it will show up at the bottom, and I have a lot of pictures, but it'll show up at the bottom here and it'll load for a little bit. And when it's ready, what you can do is that you can drag it in just like you dragged in your video down here, and you can have it play your video. The other thing you can do is that you can also go to Google. So say for example I want to find a picture of a tree. If I go to picture of a tree, if I type that into Google, I can right click on this and it'll pull up, and you want to click Save Image As. When you do that, you'll rename it as to what it is and then click Save, and it'll download. And so what it'll do is that when you go and click on import, you'll go to browse to select, and you'll notice that it'll be in the files that you have on your computer. The next option you'll have is to record your screen or record a video of yourself. So say for example I want to make a video of myself. I can go to my webcam and it'll take a video of me, or I can go and just take a picture of my screen. And so you have the option to do both, but I'm just going to do screen. So you'll notice you'll click screen and this blue button pops up. It'll ask you where your microphone. You can just click next. It's usually set to default. Click which screen you want. In this case, you guys probably just have one screen, and then you'll hit share. And it'll go 3, 2, 1. And then it will record anything that is on this screen, including me talking. Now, if you have the webcam up, you'll see a little box in the corner here of your face. When you're done, you're going to see this little button down here that says Stop Sharing at the bottom of your screen. You'll click Stop Sharing. You can preview the video, record again. But if you like it, you can hit Save. And you'll notice once again, it shows up in your media folder. The final option you can do is Narrate. So you can use Narrate to talk over any piece of video that you have in your video. So say for example, I want to go down here, I'm going to drag back, and there's this beautiful picture here. I'm going to click Narrate, and when I press record, let's say 3, 2, 1. This is a picture of nature. Then I'll hit stop, and then I can record again or save, but the preview you'll notice is, this is a picture of nature. So it recorded my voice over top of this picture. So I'm going to click save. And you'll notice that it goes into your My Media folder again, but this time it adds a layer down at the bottom called voiceover. And so what you'll notice is that when I press the play button, this is a picture of nature. You'll see that all of the text, the picture, the voiceover, and the audio all play at the same time.